Welcome to the Affordable CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Then we can see here ringing notification volume panel, and just to mute our device notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel. But by this way, we'll mute not only our device notifications, we'll mute also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only notifications, we should unmute this volume panel and then just to select phone ringtone section and just to switch your currently ringtone. Oh, not the ringtone, sorry, the notification sound. Just switch it to none. Tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully mute notification sound, but just turn off the sound and we will stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.